Hello and welcome to the Returning Student Housing Application tutorial. If you've forgotten how to apply for housing, don't worry. Choosing housing shouldn't be a terrifying experience. We will walk you through accessing and completing the housing application. The Returning Housing Contract is your written intent to live on campus again this coming year. This form is digital, so no need to fill out anything on paper.
It only takes 2 minutes, but you will need to complete this to participate in housing selection.
So let's walk you through the process. Welcome to Today at Dean. Here you can find announcements, campus news, and campus events, but today we're going to be looking at your personal page. Here's your personal page. Here you can see your Dean Advisor, your student email, but right now we're going to My Housing. Here is My Housing. Right now we're going to select the Application tab and select the Housing application. Now you will need to revisit the housing agreement. Make sure you read this again as it tells you about the expectations, regulations, and rules Dean has for its on-campus students. At the bottom, you will need to sign your name, agreeing to this agreement. All residents on campus must abide by our housing agreement to live on campus. Sign and continue on to the next step. We will also need an updated emergency contact for our records. If they have moved, changed phone numbers, or have had any new life changes, make sure you're putting at least one emergency contact. As listed, we will need their full address, home phone number, mobile phone number, and email address. When done, verify the information, and then proceed to press Save this contact. Then continue on to the next page. The last step is selecting your meal plan for next year. All on-campus students have unlimited dining. Whenever the dining hall is open, you can have all you care to eat. The different options indicate if you wish to add a series of Boomers Bucks to your meal plan for late night food options and some of our off-campus partners. If you intend on living in the condos downtown, you will also have an option of a reduced meal plan. 100 meals total for the whole semester, reflecting a lower cost. Here we are at the confirmation page. When you see this page, you have completed your returning housing application. You will be receiving an email confirmation as well. But when you see this, you have applied online for housing next year. Listed is the next steps you will need to do in the future weeks for housing selection and registration. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. If you have any questions about housing, come find us in Chapman House. You can reach us by phone at 508-541-1838 or by email at reslife@dean.edu. Be sure to check us out on social media for the latest updates, news, events, and giveaways.